If you have spent a lot of money on skincare actives and serums and they are not giving you your desired results, you are probably doing something wrong. And here are 10 reasons why your skincare serums might not be giving you your results. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Juliet if you are seeing my face for the first time, and on my channel I post fashion, beauty, lifestyle and personal development content. If any of this sounds interesting to you, hit the subscribe button so you get notified each time I post a new video. The first reason is packaging. When you look at a good vitamin C serum, it doesn't come in a clear bottle. This one comes in an orange bottle. If your serum comes in a clear bottle, your serum is probably trash. Throw it in the bin because it will not work. A good vitamin C does not come in a clear bottle. It comes in a dark bottle, an opaque bottle, something that will block sunlight from getting to the serum, because when a vitamin C serum is stored in a clear bottle, it oxidizes quickly and it becomes unstable, and it will not give you the results you desire because it will no longer work if it becomes unstable. So if you are looking for a vitamin C serum to buy, make sure to avoid anyone stored in a clear bottle because those ones are not vitamin C serums. Because the manufacturers of those vitamin C serums don't even know what they are doing in the first place, because they are not meant to be stored in clear bottles. They are meant to be stored in dark, opaque bottles that will block the sunlight from getting to it to prevent it from getting oxidized. Because when it gets oxidized, the active is no longer active. When it becomes oxidized, the active ingredients will no longer be active because it will not work. It has become unstable. It will not give you the results you want. The next reason why your skincare serums might not be working is storage. Most skincare products come with storage instructions. That's why on the packaging you see instructions like store in a cool and dry place, do not store in direct sunlight, and keep out of reach of children. All of these things are storage instructions. When you buy your serums, make sure to always abide by the storage instruction because high temperatures can reduce the effectiveness of a serum or skincare products generally. So if a product says store away from direct sunlight, store in a cool dry place, make sure to always go with the storage instruction. Another thing I do is I leave my products in my packaging. I don't throw away my packaging. The only time I throw away my packaging is when I'm throwing away the bottle. So if I buy my skincare products, I will store my products in my packaging. If you watch my previous video on the products I use to brighten my skin, you would see that all my serums are in the bottles, even the ones that are about to run out. My hyaluronic acid is running out soon, but it still has the packaging. Store your products in the original packaging to avoid it getting direct sunlight, to prevent it from being exposed to high temperatures that may affect the quality of the product. So the storage of your product is very important. Be intentional about your skincare. Treat your products with care. Make sure your products are not just lying around. Make sure they are stored in the right temperature. Follow the storage instructions. Another reason why your skincare serum might not be working is because you are using less percentage of the active for your skin type. Your skin might need a higher percentage of the active ingredient. So if you use a lesser percentage, it will not work. Make sure to always talk to a skincare expert before you purchase any skincare serum or any skincare active. The fourth reason why your skincare serum or active might not be giving you your desired result is because the skincare product is not compatible with your skin type. If you know your skin type and you know your skin concern, make sure you know the active ingredients that you need for the specific skin concern that is compatible with your own skin type. Don't just buy things randomly because you may buy something that is suitable for dry skin and it doesn't work with your oily skin. It doesn't work that way. So make sure you're always making research. Make sure you're speaking to the right people before you purchase any skincare serum. Because at the end of the day, if it doesn't work for you, you've wasted your money. And on this channel, we are all about saving money. The fifth reason why your skincare active might not be working is you are mixing the wrong active ingredients together. Some products are not compatible. You can't use a vitamin C serum with AHA or BHA serum. They don't go together. You can't use retinoid with vitamin C serum. They don't go together. So make sure you are checking what you are mixing. Make sure the skincare products you are using are compatible with each other. If you are using a skincare product, make sure that these products you are using in a routine are safe to be paired, because when you mix the wrong products, one, they may not work, and two, you're damaging your skin. So be very mindful of the products you are mixing and pairing. The sixth reason why your serum or product might not be working is layering. Some people don't layer their products correctly. I've seen a lot of skincare videos where someone is going in with moisturizer before they are going in with their serum. It doesn't work that way. When you're layering your products, the light consistency comes before the products with the thicker consistency. That's why after cleansing your skin, the next product you go in with is your toner. And after your toner, you go in with the serum. And after the serum, you go in with the moisturizer. And after the moisturizer, you lock everything with your sunscreen. Can you see the order of application? The toner is lightweight compared to the serum, and the serum is lighter in consistency compared to the moisturizer, and the moisturizer is lighter in consistency compared to the sunscreen. So that's how to properly layer your skincare products. The seventh reason is using too many serums in your skincare routine. If you watch my previous video on the products I use to brighten my face, you'll see that I use only 3 serums in my skincare routine. That's because I like to keep my skincare routine very simple. I don't like to go overboard. I use a vitamin C serum and niacinamide because I want to achieve bright skin, and I use hyaluronic acid because I want my skin hydrated. So these are my 2 skincare goals. So before you buy any skincare product, make sure you are buying it for a specific reason. If you are the type that you're trying to treat acne, for instance, and someone recommends salicylic acid, you buy salicylic acid today. Tomorrow, someone recommends glycolic acid, you buy glycolic acid tomorrow. And you're using all these products, they will not give you the desired result you want. So make sure to keep your skincare routine very simple. You don't have to go overboard with all of the serums. Stick to a particular routine and use it consistently, and you'll see amazing results. Skincare is not all about changing products all the time. You cannot achieve perfect skin by using lots of skincare products. It doesn't work that way. Some of these ingredients will cancel out the other ingredients, and you are losing out because we are overdoing it. And too much of anything is bad. So avoid using too many serums in your skincare routine. It's not worth it. Just keep it simple and be consistent with your routine. You will get amazing results. The eighth reason why your skincare serum might not be giving your desired results is inconsistency. A lot of people are not consistent with their skincare routine. You don't expect to get desired results when you are not consistent. You have to be intentional about your skincare. Don't use your products today, skip it tomorrow, come back next week, use it for 2 days, skip it for a whole month. That's not how it works. If you are doing that, you're only going to spend more money on skincare, which shouldn't be, just because of your irresponsibility. If you are very inconsistent, you will get inconsistent results. So try and be consistent with your skincare routine, be intentional, and you will get amazing results. The ninth reason is not exfoliating. I don't know how else to tell you how important exfoliation is in a skincare routine. If you want to achieve clear skin, you have to exfoliate your skin. If you want your skincare serums to penetrate into your skin properly, you have to exfoliate your skin to get rid of the dead skin cells off the surface of your skin. Exfoliation is important. I have mentioned over and over how you can make your exfoliating scrubs at home if you cannot afford your chemical exfoliant. Mix honey and scrub and use as an exfoliant. You can't skip exfoliation and expect good results. So if you haven't been exfoliating your skin, make sure to add it into your skincare routine. And if you're looking for the perfect exfoliating product, I have a video on my channel where I talked about the best skincare products that helps to improve the texture of the skin on my channel. It will be linked to this video if you want to go and check it out. The 10th and final reason why your skincare serum might not be working is you're using poor quality products. Now, this may not be your fault because there are so many fake products in the market right now. So you have to be very careful where you are buying from. If you are using poor quality or fake skincare products, there's no way you are going to see results. Be careful what product you are buying. Make sure you are buying the right thing. And if you're using the wrong skincare product on your skin, you're only exposing your skin to damages. So be careful what you use on your skin and make sure to always check what you are buying before you buy. With that, we have come to the end of today's video. Let me know if you learned something from this video, and don't forget to give me my huge thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. See you later, guys.